In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Sora 2, a powerful tool that can help you create stunning videos with ease. Whether you're a seasoned videographer or a novice looking to explore video creation for the first time, Sora 2 can greatly simplify the process. So let's dive in and get you started on making your first video with this incredible tool. First things first, let's navigate to Sora. You can do this by heading over to openai.com/Sora. Alternatively, if you have ChatGPT enabled, you might be able to access it through there. Once you've arrived at the Sora homepage, you'll see a variety of options to explore, but the one we're interested in is Create with Sora. This button is your gateway to starting a new video project. Give it a click to begin a new journey in video creation. Now that you've initiated a new video project, it's time to bring your ideas to life. The next step involves writing your prompt. This is where you'll clearly articulate what you envision for your video. Think about the scene you want to create, the style that best fits your concept, any specific camera movements you're interested in, and the ideal length of your video. The more detailed and clear you are at this stage, the better your final product will be. So take your time and describe your vision as vividly as possible. Once you've carefully crafted your prompt, it's time to generate your video. Simply click on the Create and Generate button. This is where the magic happens. Sora 2 will process your input, and using its advanced algorithms, begin rendering your video. The rendering process might take a little time, so be patient. It's worth noting that the complexity and length of your video will affect the render time, so just sit back and let Sora 2 work its wonders. After the video has been rendered, the next step is to review it. Take a close look at the final product to ensure it meets your expectations. If you're satisfied with the outcome, you can proceed to save or export your video. There should be an option to download the final video, allowing you to store it on your device or share it with others. This is where you get to see all your hard work pay off, and you can proudly present your creation to the world. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to using Sora 2 to create your own video. By following these straightforward instructions, you'll be able to harness the power of Sora 2 and produce content that stands out. Remember, practice makes perfect. So feel free to experiment with different styles and prompts to fully explore the capabilities of Sora 2. Happy video creating, and I can't wait to see what you come up with.